Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. We'll delve into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT portable washing machine offers a significantly larger space for laundry, accommodating up to 11 pounds of clothing. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of just 10 liters, making it suitable for smaller loads. This difference can be crucial for users who need to wash larger items or multiple garments at once. The COMFEE's washing machine is a fully automatic model, which means it handles the entire washing process with minimal user intervention. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is semi-automatic, requiring manual draining after the wash cycle. This distinction can affect convenience and ease of use, especially for those with busy lifestyles. In terms of features, the COMFEE's washing machine comes equipped with 6 wash programs, a child lock, and a delay start option, providing versatility for different laundry needs. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers only 3 wash modes and lacks additional features, making it less versatile for varied laundry tasks. This could be a deciding factor for users looking for more functionality. In conclusion, both the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The COMFEE's offers a larger capacity and more features, making it ideal for those who need a reliable and versatile washing solution. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine is a budget-friendly option for those with limited space and simpler laundry needs. We hope this comparison helped you decide which one to choose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.